Suresh from Little Scholar High School, 3rd Standard. Lesson 10, Most Indian Cities. We have already learned about Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. Let us now learn about some more cities of India. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. It is located in the southern part of India. The people in Bengaluru mostly speak Kannada and English. Bengaluru has a pleasant climate through the year. Many industries like aircraft, computers, electronic good machines, textiles, watches have flourished in this city. Bengaluru is also known as Silicon Valley of India because it has many IT companies. The Government Museum, Tipu Sultan Summer Palace in Bangalore, Fort Lal Bagh, Vidhana Soudha, Chickpet and Keppagowda Circle are some of the important tourist attractions of Bengaluru. Chandigarh is located in northern India. It is union territory and services as of both Punjab and Haryana. Chandigarh was first planned city of India and hence it is also known as the City Beautiful. The rock garden of Chandigarh is famous for statues made out of waste materials. It is also has the largest rose garden in Asia. Guwahati is located in northeast India in Assam along the banks of the river Brahmaputra. The city is also known as gateway to northeast India. Assamese, English and Bengali are the major languages spoken in Guwahati. Bihu is the most popular festival celebrated in city Guwahati. It is famous for its woolen shawls and handicrafts. Hyderabad is the state of Telangana. In southern India, it is presently the capital of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Amravati is proposed capital of Andhra Pradesh. People in Hyderabad speak English and Telugu. Some of the famous landmarks of Hyderabad are Mecca Masjid, Charminar, Birla Mandir, Salarjung Museum. The city is major hub for information technology in industry. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan, which is situated in the western India. Jaipur is known as the Pink City. It is famous for its handicrafts like jewelry, tie-dye, metal and ivory work and marbles. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. It is located by the banks of river Gomti. Urdu, Hindi and English are the major languages spoken in the city. The embroidery of Lucknow also chikan is well known. Lucknow has popular tourist destinations like Rami Darwaza, the Imbras, the Clock Tower and Residency. Ahmedabad is located in Gujarat on the banks of river Sabarmati. It is known as the Manchester of East because of its growing textile industry. The Siddhi Bahar Mosque, the Kitty Museum and the Sabarmati Ashram are some of the places of tourist interest. Garba is famous folk dance of this city which is people perform during Navaratri. Famous dishes of the city and Dokla and Thepla. Thank you.